Well, as a newbie gardener, this is what I'm looking like at the moment. But the thing I wanted to show you, of course everything I'm growing everything for the first time, so I never know what to expect. And what I really did not expect was that. I'm like, wow, that's the first courgette. I mean, it's huge. I'd put 2 or 3 in here, and the birds had about 2 or 3 days into the seedling first popping its head out, they'd eaten the other 2, so they didn't survive. But this one is turning into a monster, and I believe these are the, correct me if I'm wrong here, but I believe these are the male flowers that come first, followed by female flowers, and then I'm going to get some courgettes. But wow, it's so beautiful. Just did not know. And I kept looking. What do they look like? What do the flowers look like? When does it flower? All of that stuff on Google, and I hadn't seen it. I'm going to say I've got a substantially sized courgette plant there. I hope that in this case, size does make a difference.